5 idea of Gado up and left hook.
Gauto hit by left hand, but he's trading here, which could be a problem. Good upper body movement from him. He shifts another left hand, big left hand again. There he touches down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second. Left hand puts him onto his back, and he's just so fragile in there at the minute. That's the problem. He's letting his own hands go. He's showing a ton of bravery and heart in there, but every time he gets hit clean, he's going to go down, and he's going to get hit clean because he's wide open at times.
Isang batang galing sa Agusan del Sur, sa Pilipinas, ang dumayo sa Dubai, UAE upang harapin ang isa sa pinakamainit na undefeated prospects ng Argentina. Sa kabilang sulok ay si Agustin Mauro Gauto, may perpektong record na 17 panalo at 0 talo, at itinuturing na susunod na malaking bituin ng Argentine boxing. Ngunit hindi natakot ang Pilipinong si Miel Silent Assassin Fajardo. Sa laban na inaasahang magiging isa na namang panalo para kay Gauto, kabaligtaran ang nangyari. Nagulat ang mga boxing fans nang dominahin ng Pinoy ang bakbakan at wasakin ang perpektong record ng Argentine prospect. Sa loob lamang ng 2 rounds, pinahinto ni Fajardo si Gauto via ikalawang round TKO, ibinigay ang unang pagkatalo sa kanyang professional career, at naghatid ng isa sa pinakamalaking upset ng gabing iyon sa Dubai. Paano nga ba dinurog ni Miel Fajardo ang undefeated na si Agustin Mauro Gauto? Balikan natin ang highlights ng buong laban.
In a men's light flyweight, weighing in officially at 49.8 kgs, 110 pounds even. Tonight he enters the ring wearing the red trunks with black trim. With a pro record of 7 wins, 6 of those big wins coming in by way of knockout, and only a singular loss. Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of Agusan del Sur, Philippines, it's Miel Fajardo. And now, introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, he stands 175 centimeters, coming in at 5'7", weighing officially at 49.8 kgs, 110 pounds even. Tonight he enters the ring wearing the silver trunks with red trim, with a perfect pro record of 17 wins, with 12 of those big wins coming in by way of knockout, and no losses till date. Ladies and gentlemen, damas y caballeros, luchando fuera Havana, Buenos Aires, de Argentina, Agustin El Levión Gauto.
Kumpiyansa at maingat sa simula ang undefeated na si Agustin Gauto, habang kalmadong naghihintay ng pagkakataon si Miel Fajardo. Huling 10 segundo ng round, pumasok ang kaliwa ni Fajardo. Bagsak si Gauto, nakabangon ng Argentinian at nailigtas ng bell. Pero malaking problema ang naghihintay sa kaniya sa susunod na round.
Nice work, isn't it? Just a little thing with the eyes running to the belly. Like a nice jab to the head.
Left hook was short. Shot there.
The left hook there, did as well with the second attack.
I think he might feel he's hurt him with one of those body shots because he's really getting on him here for hard.
Solid jab in there from Gauto. He's been a bit busier.
Really closes the space down when he throws that jab, doesn't he? Steps into it. And he needs to, because Fajardo just stays kind of on the borderline. He takes those feet out well. Do you think he got through solidly with one of those body shots?
Yes, particularly the second one for me.
He's just gone into a shallow bit, hasn't he? Gauto. Not hugely, but something registered there, definitely. It's the final minute of round 1.
Sharp Fajardo there, left uppercut, left hook.
A nod of the head there from Gauto. They both land at the same time. He's having a good opening round here. Filipino fighter. turning into a good fight. Right hand there from Gauto.
Better from Goldie. He's got to let his hands go. Good body shot himself there. Goldie with the left hook. Shot.
Oh, beautiful left hand there from Fajardo, and that has put him down hard onto his back there, Gauto. There was one just before that, there was a left to the body, he went up top, landed the left hand, and there was almost a nod of approval, and then he did it again, and Gauto was just put straight down. No time left in the round, which is just as well.
Early in the fight. Just catches him flush. Really did like really.
Sa round 2, agad na naglagay ng pressure si Fajardo. Hindi pa nakaka-recover si Gauto. Bagsak ulit ang Argentinian. Pilit siyang bumangon pero hindi umatras ang Pinoy. Muling umatake si Fajardo at bagsak na naman si Gauto. 3 knockdown sa loob lamang ng 2 round. Nakita ng referee na sapat na ang pinsalang natanggap ni Gauto at tuluyan ng itinigil ang laban.
By left hand, but he's trading here, which could be a problem. Good upper body movement from him. He ships another left hand, big left hand again. There he touches down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second. Left hand puts him onto his back, and he's just so fragile in there at the minute. That's the problem. He's letting his own hands go. He's showing a ton of bravery and heart in there, but every time he gets hit clean, he's going to go down, and he's going to get hit clean because he's wide open at times.
What's the referee doing?
Well, the referee's given him extra time there. He missed the knockdown. There was a touchdown with the glove which he missed, and then he was put down. Fajardo just looking for that left hook. Every single time he can throw it, he is throwing it. Dipping low at the waist there, touches down with the glove again, and the referee doesn't see it. That's another knockdown.
There's been about 4 knockdowns in this round. It's tremendous action, it really is.
It is, it's superb. 1 minute 40 remaining in round 2.
Oh, good shots. Oh.
Another big left hand, and he's taken those two somehow. He's thrown back himself. It goes down to his knees, more in exhaustion than anything else. But the referee does count him this time. The corner are looking on there, the Argentinian corner. I don't really know how much more of this I would need to see if I were them. This is a critical stage of his career, of course. He's 17-0. But I think he's done here, and it's only a matter of time, isn't it? Big left hand again there. The referee jumps in, and that's a good decision from the referee.
At tuluyan ng itinigil ng referee ang laban. Sa opisyal na oras na 1 minuto at 53 segundo ng round 2, panalo si Miel, silent assassin Fajardo sa pamamagitan ng technical knockout. 3 beses niyang pinabagsak ang dating undefeated na si Agustin Gauto. 1 beses sa unang round at 2 beses sa ikalawa. Isang napakalaking upset at isang kahangahangang tagumpay para sa Pilipinas. Kung nagustuhan ninyo ang laban, i-like ang video, mag-follow, at abangan ang susunod nating boxing highlights.
Declaring your winner by TKO to the blue corner from Agusan del Sur, Philippines. It's Mayan